Income. Money you earn from work or business is called income. Increasing income creates more opportunities to build wealth. Expenses. Expenses are the money you spend on needs and wants. Controlling expenses is the first step toward financial stability. Saving. Saving means keeping money aside for future use. It provides security and protects you during emergencies. Budgeting. A budget is a plan for how you use your money. It helps you control spending and reach financial goals. Debt. Debt is borrowed money that must be repaid with interest. Too much debt can slow down your financial progress. Interest. Interest is the cost of borrowing money or the reward for saving. Over time, interest can significantly increase or decrease wealth. Assets. Assets are things that can grow in value or generate income. Building assets is key to becoming financially strong. Liabilities. Liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. Reducing liabilities helps improve your financial health. Net worth. Net worth is what you own minus what you owe. It shows your true financial position. Investing. Investing means putting money into assets to grow it over time. It is one of the most powerful ways to build wealth. Compound interest. Compound interest allows your money to grow on itself. Time makes compounding one of the strongest wealth tools. Emergency fund. An emergency fund is savings for unexpected situations. It prevents you from falling into debt during crises. Inflation. Inflation is the increase in prices over time. It reduces the purchasing power of your money. Passive income. Passive income is money earned without constant work. It creates financial freedom and long-term security. Active income. Active income comes from work you actively perform. Most people depend on this as their primary earning source. Financial goals. Financial goals give direction to your money decisions. Clear goals increase motivation and discipline. Diversification. Diversification means spreading investments to reduce risk. It protects you from losing everything in one place. Risk vs reward. Higher rewards usually come with higher risks. Understanding this balance improves investment decisions. Financial discipline. Financial discipline means controlling spending and staying consistent. Small habits over time create big financial results. Financial freedom. Financial freedom means your income covers your lifestyle without stress. It gives you control over time and life choices.
Should I spend this now or invest it for the future? The choice is mine.
Not Betty me.
This is a small amount of money today, but over time, it can grow into much more. This is the power of time.